464-1033, subjects armed with a knife, refusing to come out, stage 91. Hey, watch out, bro. Hey, bro. Come over here, Virgo.
Get out of the way. Whoa. Hey, man. You're all right. Hey, dude. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. We don't need... You're okay.
Hey, go inside!
Get out of the house. There's a guy with a gun. Get away!
Get in the fucking house!
We got our guns out. Go away. Sir!
Go!
Hey, man. We're okay. It's all right. You're okay.
464 is gonna be a male white.
It's okay, man.
Hair.
You're not in trouble. Sir, get away. We have our guns pointed. We could shoot you. Move away. Hey, man, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Hey, man, you're not in trouble. It's not the end of the world, dude. Just put the knife down, okay? It's not a big deal, man. Don't worry about it. Okay, you're all right. Hey, it's not the end of the world, dude. Just put the knife down, and we can sort this out, all right? 462, getting in. Let's see.
Just keep talking to him, bro. Keep talking to him.
Hey, man, it's okay. I'm Deputy Virgo. What can I do to get you to comply?
464, subject still uncooperative inside his vehicle.
What can I get you to comply, man? You're doing all right. It's okay. Don't worry about it. You're not in trouble. It's just a car accident. It's an accident. You're not in trouble. We don't want to hurt you. Can you please put the knife down? Put the knife down, please, sir. What can I get you to do to comply? We don't want to hurt you. What can I do to help you?
Tell him we could take him to like a mental hospital or anything like that.
Hey, man, we can get you, we can take you to a hospital. Okay, do you have friends that you can talk to? We don't want to hurt you, dude. Hey,
What's up?
I'm thinking we push back, dude.
Yeah, but if he starts stabbing himself, we won't know, dude. Because he's facing the knife to him. If he starts stabbing himself, we gotta do something.
Yeah, but, I mean, no, we don't. We don't have to do something if he starts stabbing himself. We don't want to hurt you, man.
I don't want to get too far where he books it, dude, and runs.
Yeah. Okay. We'll head over here. Let's get left when he gets here. And we'll give announcements, and then we'll push back to the door. Right. Hey, man, just put the knife down. It's okay. Not the end of the world.
Drop the knife and come out with your hands up. Come out with your hands up, officer. Hands up. Still got the knife, you still got the knife. What's up? You still got a knife, Still got it. Drop the knife, still got it. I'm covering up.
Door opening. Hunter, come out with your hands up. Just follow our commands and you'll be okay. Knife in his hand. Knife in his right hand.
Knife in the right hand?
Knife in right hand. Hunter, drop the knife and come out with your hands up. Come out with your hands up, Hunter! Hands up!
Still got the knife, you still got the knife.
Watch out, watch out.
You still got a knife, you still got a knife.
Still on. Still got it.
Still got it.
Drop it, drop it.